You're wanting to sell products online but not sure what is trending, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy website that you can use to find out what's trending on sites like Etsy, eBay, Amazon, etc. It's called eRank, and this is how it works. Now, you can get a free account with this. I do have an account that I pay for. I think it works out to be about 10 Australian dollars, so about $6 or $7 US. And I've got that because I do need to track it for my own stores and, of course, for a couple of clients as well. So the site is called eRank, and there's a couple of different things you can do. You can integrate your own shop with it. You can look at your competition and you can look at different trends. One of the tools that I like is the Keyword Explorer. So let's go into that. You simply go in, select the region. I'm selling on Etsy, and America is such a big market there, so I'm just going to focus on that. And I know that real estate is a really big niche. So I'm not in real estate myself. However, I can make marketing products for real estate agents. So we're going to click the search button there. As you can see here, it has a lot of different searches, average click rates, and click-through rates as well. So clicks and click-throughs, but the competition is quite big. So I'm going to show you how you get around that. You can have a look at the trend here, and this is how I know that it is so big in the USA. So if we scroll down, we want to narrow this down even further because we don't want to go after something, you know, particularly if you've got a new store that is so saturated. So as you can see, this one is very saturated. So this is the competition just on Etsy, but you can look at Amazon, etc. And that is for just real estate in general. So let's say we want to even go down, you know, niche that down further. We might look at real estate social media templates here. There's not as many searches, but there's not as much competition. Now, you can analyze that further, but I just wanted to show you the basics. So what that shows me, although there's not as many people searching specifically for that key phrase, real estate social media templates, it is still a very unsaturated market. So I have more chance of a conversion because it's a more specific keyword rather than just real estate where I'm competing with 90,000 other people. This way, it's about 8,000 people that you're competing with, and you know that people are looking for that particular product, you know, and you've narrowed it down to a specific audience. Such a cool platform and software. Highly recommend it. Make sure you save this post for future reference, and of course, don't forget to follow and subscribe for daily social media tips.